Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for some happy mail and a quick project share of a miniature house my daughter Emmy and I have been building. So first mail here comes from Felicia, also known here on YouTube as FP Handmade. Make sure to check out her channel. I love her card making. And she also joined my little crafty challenge for 2021, Shop Your Stash and Let's Craft. So if you haven't seen it, check out our playlist. They have made some very beautiful projects. So I love the stamp here. It says sealed with love and adhesive, spit free, and then you see the emojis wearing a mask. And look at this adorable card. So she sent me a card saying thank you. She was one of the winners for my Daiso giveaway. So I love this card. I love the die that she used to make this wonderful layered circle here on the front, and it says thanks. And in the back we have her signature stamp that says FP Handmade. So I love that. The next one is from Gina. Gina Loves to Craft here on YouTube. Again, if you love hauls, I love her project shares, especially when she shows her fairy like shadow boxes, and her cards are really wonderful. Look at this adorable bunny. So Gina had said that she had sent me a little happy mail, so thank you so much, Gina. I think I opened it here but haven't looked in yet, so let me see what Gina has sent me. Oh, I see strawberry shortcake, and let's put this aside and see what we have here. I love strawberry shortcake. My kids have grown up watching and reading her books. Oh, this is so cute. Let me read the card here. It says thank you. Let me just pull that away. Oh, thank you so much, Gina. You're so welcome. Oh, that's so cute. I love this card. So she wanted to share some crafty goodies, and she's included some wonderful dies here. Love it. Let's have a look at our first. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of stuff. Look at these adorable stickers with the glasses. And she included, this is perfect for our spring project, some butterfly little die cuts here. That is so pretty. I love the paper that she used here. So we have butterflies and Easter bunnies. How adorable. Look at these. Super cute. And it looks like more of a polka. I love these. Look at that shimmer on that. Adorable, Gina. This is super cute. She's also, I can always use this. I love circle dies. And then we have these, and these are perfect for happy mail. So when you send out happy mail and want to include some washi samples, these come really handy. So we have a couple of those. Wow, look at this mint one. That's gonna look wonderful in an Easter or spring themed, look at that, with the heart, spring themed journal or flip book. There is more, guys. So she has sent me a bunch, and we have some florals, it looks like, in here. Let me see. I think this is a wonderful way to share your goodies with happy mail as well. Like, not everybody has die cut, so I think this is so cool. Love these flowers, and these will be great to layer. Oh, I love this. Look at this arrow. That's so cute. We have, oh, she sent me, wow, more than one. And I love that it's shaped like a little key. And then we have more of these wonderful flowers in different shapes and sizes and patterns. That's really pretty. I love that. And I love the shimmer and the glitter here. Super cute. And let me show you these hearts. I love hearts. So when I was growing up, I actually loved to collect items with heart shapes, like heart earrings. So thank you so much. And she's also included some holiday wreath dies, and these are nice. Hold on, let me just show you. Look how beautiful that is, merry and bright. And she's given me different colors, and these will be fun to put on our holiday card making. So that is so cool. Thank you. And one more baggie here, so let's have a look and see. I see a unicorn. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to share this with my girls. My younger one loves unicorns, so look at that. Magical. Wow, look at this gold one. That is fancy. Look how cute. We have that beautiful purple one. I love this one. It's a really cute little Minnie Mouse. And we have some balloons. So lots of dies that I can use for card making. Oh, here's another cute one. Oh, I'm definitely going to put this in my little scrapbook. I have some pictures of the girls when we were in Disneyland years ago, so that would be fun. And we have this beautiful little happy birthday to you. Speaking of birthdays, I think Gina's birthday is coming up, if I'm not mistaken. You can correct me, Gina. I think it's on February 26th. So make sure to check out their channels and show them some love and show our support for our fellow crafters. Thank you so much, ladies, for sending some happy mail my way. Let me just show you a quick look at my little project share of the miniature house me and my daughter Emmy have been working on. Super quick project share. Here is the bottom floor, some table, magazine, and little teacup with the plant. I love the open space plan. This house, our kit, doesn't have a roof, so it's perfect for accessibility. We have the miniature bookshelf with book and the headset there, and wrap around to our terrace. A little windy when I was taking a shot of this. At the bottom is their little side garden, and there goes the table. So that is our little project share. Hope you guys enjoyed this happy meal and project share. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.